Did you know that there are multiple options for collision coverage on your automobile policy? You do not have to compromise coverage for price. And today we are going to discuss a few different options for full coverage insurance on your automobile policy. We have regular collision and we have broad collision. With regular collision, when two drivers are in an accident, each driver has a set deductible amount that they have agreed to pay on their auto policy. However, once a claim has been processed, the driver who is not at fault can often recover that deductible amount from the at-fault driver's insurance. So if your main goal is to drive down your policy premium, but still maintain full coverage insurance, this could be a great option for you. The second option that we have is broad collision. With broad collision, if you and I are in an accident and I am the at-fault driver, your deductible is waived. So if you are not at fault, you don't pay anything. This is another great option that is available to you. We do tend to see slightly higher premiums with this option, but it is still available. Again, we're just here to bring you a little more information, let you know that you do have options so that you can make the best choice for your policy.